In this clip, we want to take a look at how we can create an ad hoc segment. In order for us to truly understand why we would use an ad hoc segment, we need to talk a little bit about custom segments. Custom segments are a topic that we'll cover in greater detail in a future module. The breakdowns we've created so far are a form of segmentation, but they're applied to line items within the freeform table. Custom segments are segments that are built within the segment builder. And the advantage of custom segments is they can be applied at the panel or table level, but moreover, they're easily shared and reused, and that's because they live within the component section of the left handrail. With that being said, what exactly are ad hoc segments? Well, ad hoc segments take less time to create than their custom segment counterparts. And that's because they're not built in the segment builder, and they too can be applied at the panel or table level. The disadvantage, however, is that they cannot be reused or shared. However, they can live forever within your data table, and they're considered local to the workspace. So what I'd like to do is jump into a demo and go through the process of creating an ad hoc segment. Let's suppose we wanted a report that would show revenue per product for all visitors, but more specifically, those visitors who found our site through our free shipping campaign. In order for us to do that, we need to modify what we're working with here. We need to select each of these search terms. And remember, you can do that by holding down the Command key on the Mac. It would be the Control key on Windows as you click each of the terms. With all of them selected, you can right-click or control-click, and in the contextual menu, you can choose Delete Selected. So again, we're interested in revenue for all visitors. Right now, our metric is unique visitors. Let's change that to revenue by coming over to our metrics panel, grabbing revenue, and dropping it on top of unique visitors to replace it. At this point, we want to come over to our dimensions, and inside our dimensions, we want to locate our campaign name dimension. So I can start typing that in, and as I type it in, the list will filter. Again, I'm interested in campaign name. It's down here towards the bottom on my screen. In this case, I want to click this little arrow pointing to the right. And what this will do is allow me to view all the recorded values. I want to find free shipping, which is located here. And I'm going to drag free shipping into the add segment container. So I'm just going to click and drag, and then I'll drop. Now, if you want to see how this was built, all you have to do is hover over it and click this little eye. A little tooltip will appear, and it will show you how it was built. If you decide that you want to edit this by clicking the little pencil icon, or if you click Make Public, it's possible to save this segment in the segment builder to use in another workspace. In a future clip, we'll take a look at how we can create a cross-tab analysis, but you can do that by applying the segment at the column level. Again, we'll review that in a little bit. I'll click a way to collapse this little tooltip. You can also create an ad hoc segment from a value in a data table. All you need to do is find that value, and on the Mac, you would hold down the Command key, it would be the Control key on Windows, and just drag it up to the Add Segment container. And when you let go of the mouse, you'll notice you've created that segment. So again, I just wanted to quickly review how you can go about creating ad hoc segments inside of Analysis Workspace.